Assalamualaikum. In this tutorial video is all about the CRUD for the user, which user can manage their booking. Before this, we had looked up on the admin CRUD functions. So now let's get through the CRUD for the user. Okay, so this is Selamat Datang page. As usually, we are going to click the login link and then we're going to redirect to the login page. So firstly, you are going to insert the user name of user and the password. Alright, then we are going to redirect to the user page. Alright, so this is the cyber cafe reservation system. So dekat sini kita boleh tengok user boleh book redirect terus dekat home page ni. Kita boleh select the PC, date and then any kind of notes kita nak tambah. Next, tengok my profile. So kita akan nampak hello username Fahmi and then the email of the user and the full name. So kat sini kita boleh update. For example, Min update full name delete Muhammad tu. So kita update. So done, kita dah update our user profile. So next we are going to my booking where CRUD is implemented here. So user can search the booking. Alright, and then kita scroll bawah, kita nak tengok kita punya booking tracking. So kita boleh tengok dah banyak dah main book kat sini. Alright, so kita boleh edit, delete, dan kita boleh booking now ni kita boleh add new booking. Kita akan direct back to here. So for example, Mina book PC SS1235 and then pada for example 24 of July and then maybe okay, only painting service or book. So then kita redirect balik kat sini my book tracking. So here Yasmin dah book. Alright, so next Mina edit pula. So kita boleh edit, for example Mina edit okay, this one. Alright, kita boleh edit, for example Min edit kita okay, actually online printing service. So kita nak buat package je. So save. Alright, so kita akan direct back to the tracking booking. So yeah, kita dah done edit the details. And next kita nak delete pula. So for example ada 24 Julai ni ada 2, so nak delete 1. Kita delete. So done, kita dah delete. Alright, so next kita akan search. For the search, for example Min nak search booking Min pada alright, pada 24 of July. So for example Min search 24 hari bulan ni. Kita akan track kita punya booking pada 24 bulan. Dan okay, so I think that's all for CRUD for user. So thank you. So Min nak tunjuk a few codings on CRUD for user. Lebih kurang je dengan ini. So dekat sini ini adalah controller admin. So dekat public function my booking ni Min akan call database from status item, which dia akan tengok ID user. So kalau dia detect user tu Fahmi, so dia akan buka apa yang Fahmi book. Dia boleh track booking kita. And then untuk rebooking, so untuk rebooking ni kita akan retrieve daripada database status item tu. For example dalam vbooking.play.php. Alright, kita boleh retrieve the ID item, the date book, notes to, and then href for edit and delete. So this is some of the example for the code. And then untuk booking edit ni kita boleh tengok. Alright, kat booking update ni kita boleh tengok kita boleh edit PC name, and then edit date book, notes. Alright, and then the button save. Okay, so macam user profile tadi, kat sini kita boleh update user profile sama juga macam update booking. Kita boleh update email, full name, and then save button ni, update my profile. Alright, and then dekat control admin ni juga kita ada function booking edit. Alright, so booking edit ni kita boleh edit all of the yang kita book tu, and then kita boleh edit. Alright, so function update user profile yang Min buat tadi, dan juga kita boleh delete, function delete. Alright, so I think that's all. Thank you.